Hello children, good morning all of you. Hope everybody are safe at home. Today we are going to discuss about class 9th assignment number 22nd and 23rd, and the date is 3rd December children. So let us see the model of this assignment. As you know, this first Roman is 1 mark questions and second Roman okay, see this is as it is a descriptive wise model, this is all are essay type questions children, all are essay type questions. So only we have 1 Roman, 5 questions, each question carries 4 marks children. Thank you. Come on, join with me. First one of the first Roman, draw the graph. Draw the graph for the linear equation. First one, y is equal to x. Second one, y is equal to 2x. So before going to the graph children, we need to draw the graph of the given lines. As the given lines are linear equations, every linear equation is representing the equation of every linear equation representing a straight line. You know, to draw a straight line, 2 points are required. Okay, so locate 2 points which are suitable, satisfies the given equation. After we locate, we will do one thing. Take a scale, draw a line passing through these two. That's all the process of draw the lines of given lines. So see this. Say for example, y is equal to x. As I said, 2 points are enough, okay, to draw the line. So let us see x, y. Say if x is 0, as both are same, y also 0. If x is 1, as both are same, y also 1. If x is 2, as both are same, y also 2. Okay, and see here. If x is 0, 2 0 0, y also 0. If x is 1, 2 1s are 2, y equal to 2. If x is 2, y is 2 2s are 4. So a straight line contains infinite points. Out of infinite points, 2 to 3 points are 2 points actually are enough, more than enough to draw the straight line. Now take the graph. This is horizontal, this is vertical. So horizontal represents x-axis, vertical line represents y-axis. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, like that. Now first 0 comma 0, which is nothing but origin. Now coincider pen at 1 on x-axis. Next y is 2. 2 means move plus 2. Plus 2 means move upward 2 units. This is 1 comma 2. And when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3 here. Now draw the straight line passing through these 3. Okay, so this is y is equal to x. Okay children, now sorry, x is equal to 1 means y also 1, x is equal to 2 means y also 2. So x is equal to 0 0, then 1 1, 1 1, 2 2. Okay, so draw this line. This is y is equal to x. Okay children, now again 0 0, next 1 comma 2, 1 and 2, and 2 and 4. here. Then if you draw the lines, this is y is equal to 2x. Okay children, see all the lines are passing through origin since the line is in the form of y is equal to mx, in the form of y is equal to mx. So this is the explanation for first question children. So our next question, draw the graph of equation y minus x is equal to 2. Y minus x is equal to 2. Then find from the graph. So first of all, what is given? Given that y minus x is equal to 2. So y is equal to x plus 2. So x, y. As I said, 2 points are enough. When x equal to 0, 0 plus 2, 2. Y is equal to 2. When x is equal to, then when y is equal to 0, x is equal to plus 2. When you transpose right side, minus 2. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 plus 2, 3. Then draw the lines. Horizontal, vertical. So minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2. Okay. Now when x equal to 0, y value 2 units. When x equal to minus 2, y value, when x equal to 0, y is plus 2. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to 3 units. That means here. When y is equal to 0, 1 second children. When x is equal to minus 2, this is x equal to minus 2, y value 0. X equal to 0, y value plus 2 means so you can move upwards plus 2 units. X equal to minus 2, 0 means it is neither positive nor negative. As you cannot move upwards or downwards, you should be there only. And when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3. Okay. Now if you draw the line passing these three, as this is rough diagram, as I am taking a little bit distances are less. This is y is equal to x plus 2. This is the process of taking straight line. Then what is the first question here? Value of y when x is equal to 4. When x is equal to 4, okay, y is equal to how much? So when x is equal to 4, if you observe the nature of the graph, you can see, okay, what is the line here given here? Y minus x is equal to 2. Algebraically, y minus 4 is equal to 2. So y is equal to, see, when x is equal to 4, what happened? 4 plus 2, 6. And the second question, what is x? Find x when y is equal to minus 3. Actually y is equal to x plus 2. So y is equal to minus 3 plus 2 minus 2. So x is equal to minus 5. Okay, instead of that, if you take plus 3, then this is 3 minus 2 plus 1. Okay, like that we can take. So next question, third one. Draw the graph of the line. Draw the line. What is that? 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Find the solution from the graph. Okay, first of all, what is given? Two x plus 3y is equal to 12. Okay, now as I said, take x at 0 once, y at 0 once. Okay, now if x equal to 0, okay, then x term is going to get disappears. Then 3y is equal to 12, y is equal to 12 by 3, 4. Okay, next, when a y is equal to 0, y term is going to get disappear. Then 2x is equal to 12, x is equal to 12 by 2, then x is equal to 6. Now, draw the line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, x equal to 6. When I am taking 0, 0, straight away x equal to 6 comma 0. This is 6 comma 0. Then y is equal to 4. Directly we can represent these points on the coordinate planes. This is 0 comma 4. Then take the scale, draw the line passing through these two. Okay, children, this name is 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Okay, now the question number 1. Whose y coordinate is 3? Find the solutions. If y is equal to 3, then what is x whose y coordinate is 3 means? Then see here, 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Generally, children, at y is equal to 3, what is x? Okay, so if it is actually we are able to draw the graph, definitely you will get the answer through graphically. Let us verify our just rough model explanation with this algebraic. Y is equal to 3 means this is 3 3s are 9, so 12 minus 9, 3. Then x is equal to 3 by 2, 1.5. This is the accurate answer. That means the graph will comes, this is x is equal to 2, this is the first one solution, x is equal to 1.5 when y is equal to 3. Okay, x is equal to 1.5. What is second question? X coordinate is 3. If x is equal to 3, then y is 2 into 3 plus 3y is equal to 12, 6. 3y is equal to 12 minus 6, 6. Then y is equal to 2. Okay, so x is equal to 3. If you see here, this is number 2, y is equal to 2, when x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. Okay, so like that we can find the values through graphically, children. So next question, question number 4, draw the graph of 3x plus 5y is equal to 5. X plus 5y is equal to 15. Okay, so let 3x plus 5y is equal to 15. So take x 0 at once, y 0 at once. Now if x equal to 0, then x term is going to get disappear. 5y is equal to 15, 15 y is equal to 15 by 5, 5 3s. Okay, and if y equal to 0, 3x is equal to 15, x is equal to 15 by 3, 5 times. So actually in this, children, we need to write x value is called x intercept and y value is called y intercept. It is only when you are taking x 0 at once and y 0 at once. Then what happened? Straight away you can mark the values on the coordinate axis. Straight away you can draw the straight line. So x intercept 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and y intercept 3, 1 2 3. So take a scale, draw the line. Okay, what is the name of this line? 3x plus 5y is equal to 15. So take x 0 at once, y 0 at once, straight away you can. This is the process of identifying the points which are satisfies the equation on the coordinate axis. Sir, we have infinitely many points are there. Why don't we identify other than these points? Yes, our wish. No issue, children. This is a little bit easier way than the other. Okay, this is the straight line which represents 3x plus 5y is equal to 15. Okay, children. So our next question. Fifth one. In an election, 60% voters cast their votes. In an election, okay, 60% voters cast their votes. Okay. From the equation and draw the graph for this data, find the following from the graph. First of all, this is the situation. First of all, how to draw the graph for this situation? Right. Let total votes is equal to x. Then votes casted, as you don't know, let it y, is 60% of total votes. Am I right? Now this is 60 by 100, half means into x. This is 3x by 5. So by 5 into 5, 5y is equal to 3x. Okay, children. Now x, y. First 0, if x 0, y also 0. If you take x is equal to 3 or 5, okay, then 5 cancel, y is equal to 3, because 5y is equal to 3 into, I consider x is equal to 5. Then 5 getting cancelled, y is equal to 3. Okay, next, when x is equal to 10, when x is equal to 10, what about y? See, 5 into y is equal to 3 into 10. So 5 cancelling 10 2 times, 3 2 are 6. Okay, so like that we consider some points which satisfies for the given equation. This is the situation, this is the linear equation. What is the linear equation? 3x minus 5y is equal to 0. If they ask only linear preparation, this is enough. But they ask us to draw the graph. Okay, right. Right, when x is equal to, see, as it is 10, I am going to consider 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so first one 0, 0. Then when x is equal to 5, what is y? 3. 5 means between 4 and 6. 3 means here. This is 5 and 3. And when x is equal to 10, y is equal to 6. This is 10 comma 6. This is 5 comma 3. This is 0 comma 0. Then take scale and draw the line. This is 3x minus 5y is equal to 0. Okay. Now, what is the first question? Total number of voters, how many are there? If 1200 voters cast their votes. Okay. Casted votes means y. Casted votes. Y is equal to 1200. Okay, what is the total votes? Total votes we consider x. Then total votes is equal to how much? So take this relation algebraically if you want. No sir, I want in that way. Okay, according to the graph we need to consider. Okay, otherwise you substitute here. 5y is equal to 3x. 5 into 1200 is equal to 3 into x. So this is cancelling here 4 times. Okay, y is 1200. Total votes they are asking now. So this is 400. So x is equal to 2000. X is equal to 2000. And if it is second question, okay, if the number of cast, how many are casted? They are asking total number of voters if 1200 voters are cast. Number of voters casted if total number of votes are 800. Okay. So similarly 5 into 800 is equal to 3 into x. From that also you are able to find x value is, okay, y represents votes casted, but total number of votes x, in place of x we should substitute total number of votes. Total number of, if 1200 voters cast their votes, casted means, okay, here number of votes, if the total number of voters are 800, total votes x is equal to 800, x is equal to 800, then what is y? So 5y is equal to 3 into 800, so y is equal to 3 into 800 by 5. So you know that this is 3 into 160, so 480. This is the answer for second question, children. So that's all for today's assignment. So have a nice day and keep working. Thank you.